Binary is perfect for computers and terrible for humans. Try reading 16 ones and zeros in a row. Programmers have a trick: hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is counting with 16 digits, 0 through 9, then a through F. And one hex digit stands for exactly 4 bits. Why 16? Because 16 is 2 to the 4th. Every group of 4 bits maps to exactly one hex digit. So split any binary number into groups of 4, replace each group, and you're done. 8 bits collapse into just 2 hex digits. That's why 1 byte is always a 2-character hex code, anywhere from 00 up to FF. And you've already seen hex everywhere. Color codes on the web, memory, addresses, and error messages. From now on, you can actually read them. 16 digits, 4 bits each. Hexadecimal is binary, folded up for humans.